Сәлем достар, hi guys. Бүгін Мексикалық Maria Luisaмен ағылшын тілінде шағын сұхбатымды, яғни интервьюімді ұсынамын. Maria Luisa ешқандай да ағылшын тілінің эксперті немесе ағылшын тілінің мұғалімі емес, бірақ ағылшын тілін екінші тіл ретінде қолданады және ағылшынша еркін сөйлейді. Бірақ соған қарамастан Maria Luisa әлі күнге дейін әртүрлі жолдармен ағылшын тілін дамытуда, көп практика жасауда, сондықтан да өз ойымен бөлісіп көреді. Hi Maria, I heard that English is not widely spoken language in Mexico and only around 10% can speak it. So you are one of those 10% Mexicans who are able to speak English.
Hello, I am so happy to do this interview with you at last. And well, of course, I will be very happy to talk about my country, Mexico. Okay, I wasn't really aware of the exact amount of people speaking English here in Mexico, but yeah, I think in the north, because of our proximity with USA, there are many English speakers.
What foreign languages are taught in Mexican schools?
That depends on the school, of course, and the industry around the city, but it's mainly English, and then French, and perhaps German.
When I was studying at the university, I thought having mistakes in my speech is unacceptable. I always felt frustrated for not being fluent and having accent. And I always scared to speak with another people in English. I think it's one of my biggest mistakes as a learner. So how can we overcome our fears?
Yeah, I know, it's complicated, but in order to overcome a barrier when learning a language, I think that you need to make mistakes so that you can be aware of them and correct them and learn.
A lot of people have difficulties when it comes to speaking because they lack confidence. And we know and should remember that only practice can make it perfect. So what kind of language applications do you often use to master your speaking skills?
Well, I mainly use YouTube channel because I found some very excellent explanations, very enlightening in the languages I am learning. So I use that, and also an app called Mosalingua.
Can you offer two best tips for improving English easily?
Well, there are actually a lot of tips, but perhaps one is to be constant when learning new vocabulary. And the other one is to speak out loud so that you can hear your own voice speaking in another language.
Сонымен бүгінгі шағын интервьюіміз аяқталды. Егер де сізде қандай да бір шет тілін немесе ағылшын тілін үйреніп жүрсеңіз, сол тілде сөйлеп кетуде қандай тәжірибеңіз болды, комментарийға ойыңызды жазып, пікір қалдырып, егер де видео ұнаса, лайк басып, каналға жазылуды ұмытпаңыз.
Oh, thank you so much for this interview. I really appreciate it, and of course, you know that you will always be welcome here in Mexico. So, bye-bye!